Welcome to the Power of Better. I'm Elbert Walters III, Executive Director for Powering Chicago. In this episode, we focus on powering better communities by highlighting Chicago Hope Academy, a Christian life prep school on Chicago's west side. In September of 2025, the National Electrical Contractors Association provided a day of giving, and Chicago Hope Academy was the beneficiary of NECA's Adopt a School Service Day, where these generous contractors donated their time and expertise to beautify the campus. This is the type of commitment NECA contractors make to their communities every day. The 20-year-old Chicago Hope Academy stands as one of the few non-Catholic Christian schools in Chicago. Enrollment at this West Side school rests at 290 with an astounding 98% graduation rate. This is academic proof that the school is thriving. And when 50 NECA contractors offer complimentary labor and expertise to better the facilities, the correct answer is yes. That's what Ike Musikowski believes. He's been principal here for 7 years.
We canceled school for the day so that we could have all of our staff ready to help coordinate things with the volunteers. We know that the skill sets of a lot of these volunteers are of an elevated capacity than we are. They're over at the West Campus with electrical outlets, installing new things. There's some pieces to painting and doing the grunt work, which is awesome, but actually making our spaces more efficient.
With guidance from the staff, eager contractor representatives gather in the gym to learn their assignments for the day, then head to the different floors in the school. For Taylor Electric's Kendra Dinkins, who also serves as president of the Electrical Contractors Association of Chicago and Cook County, the extra credit assignment includes painting a classroom with flair.
I think it's extremely important to have partnerships like this. As we are, constantly talking about we're facing this labor shortage, what better way to expose people than coming to one of the top schools in the neighborhood and exposing them to different careers in construction, especially the electrical industry.
Down the hallway, business manager of Rocha Electric, Rebecca Rocha, is helping hang curtains.
I'm honored to be here. I'm very happy that we are able to do this. I'm glad that NECA is doing these service projects and that they are advertising them to the contractors. I think it's great.
Even further down the hallway, on the second floor of Hope Academy, Gertz Electric Company's Chief Operating Officer, Mallory Gertz, spent her day renovating this classroom. As a member of ECA's Young Professionals Committee, she knows how important it is for the next generation of electrical contractors to give back.
IBEW has a strong partnership with Chicago Hope Academy, so getting visibility into what Chicago Hope Academy is and showing everyone who's attending the NECA convention what they can do in order to give back is really important and shows how critical the relationship between schools like Chicago Hope Academy and NECA are.
Positive community partnerships are one reason these busy contractors give of their time. Another reason is to let students here see that there are other pathways in life. The trades, not just college. Global material science powerhouse 3M brought its Safety Roadshow to Hope Academy the day before to expose these young people to something that they might not have been considering.
This is an opportunity to take this amazing truck to some of those sites where we have manufacturing facilities and engage with students in those communities and talk about safety, but also get to talk about some of the other things that 3M does and some of the other technology we have. Our goal is always to spark an interest in skilled trades or in STEM, foster that interest, and enable them to engage with folks who have different jobs that they may not have imagined.
What it did was kind of reinforce some of the things that I've been expounding on with the students. I know they touched on robotics and they had an opportunity to expound on various types of welding, and some even got an opportunity to do MIG welding.
These 2 days of aesthetic and professional transformation at Hope Academy won't soon be forgotten.
Like no bees, no honey, no work, no money. You can't just be a good person, you must be good for something. You have to complete the task, you have to work. So seeing all these professionals sacrificing their Fridays to be here for us, we want to show this video to all our students.
Thank you to our NECA Chicago contractors, 3M, and Chicago Hope Academy for helping us power better communities. That's another episode of The Power of Better. I'm Elbert Walters III, and on behalf of everyone at Powering Chicago, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.